My name is Anthony Balatti. I'm with Precision Calls, and this week's on Smart Tips and Tricks, we're talking duck calling. First thing we're going to go over is the basic quack. That's the foundation of all calling when you're talking about duck calling with a mallard call. And it's going to sound like this. I use the word quit. It's quit, quit, and this is what it sounds like in the back of the call. Now when you put that in the front of the call, it's going to sound like this. Quit. And that's the foundation for every call you're going to make on a mallard call. Second call we're going to go over is a feed call. There's two different ways you can do this. I like to do dugga 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 dugga. You can also use it like you're shooting a machine gun. Da 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 da. In the back of the call, it's going to sound like this. Both of those calls, this is how they sound in the front of the call. This is dugga dugga. This is like a machine gun. Da 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 da. So on the feeding call, you use that to mimic birds on the water feeding. Everything is a competition to these birds, so when these birds are flying by and they hear the feed call, then they know, hey, there's a meal right there. We need to stop by and say hi. Third and final call, I say is one of the most crucial ones, going to be a comeback call. Now I use that when the birds are working around and they're starting to leave out. We're going to use that basic quack, and this is how we put it together in a comeback call. And what that's saying is, hey, come back here. Hey, come back here. We're having a party. Come on by. And these are the three basic calls for the foundation of how to call mallards. Hopefully you like this. Like and subscribe if you did.